What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one, another lit video, baby. Hey, man, NFT Mania has hit your boy, man. But before we do all that, turn it up, turn it up. Let's go. That's Solana right there. We got to find. You know what we're looking for. Gotta get your ass turn it up. Solana got NFT. You see your boy doing his homework, man. But y'all know why we here though. Woo, 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 woo,
Just
woo.
look at the chart, look at the grand, farming like I'm still a breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about runs. 25 drill for the free.
Skirt.
Just look at the chart, look at the grand, farming like I'm still a breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about runs. 25 drip when you see me, 25 drip when you see me.
Woo.
Had to make the payment B&B.
Woo.
Then I got the drop for the NFT. Crypto on the circle, the winning team. Digital print, man, a mass in my pocket.
Got the drop for the NFT. Ha ha.
It's going to the comments, looking them like I was
Woo.
be topping.
Woo.
Now I got drip, now I'm getting this paper legit. Got me on Polygon, bought me some quick. 300K from me, proof, get it quick. I was down bad, now I got drip. Now I'm getting this paper legit. Got me on Polygon, bought me some quick. 100K from me, got it on college. Just look at the chart, look at the grand. Farming like I'm still a breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about runs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the grand. Farming like I'm still a breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about runs. 25 drip when you see me. Another lit video, baby. You already know you looking at it, but we finna get right to it. But before we do that, we gotta do this.
Ooh, woo. Boy, what you looking at is Bored Apes, man. Now I know some of y'all old school veterans, man. Y'all already know about them Bored. I just be checking it out. I don't have any Bored Apes, but man, look at the price. $171,000. Man, I bet this is the NFT bug has got me, man. The NFT bug has got me. We're gonna get into some ones that I'm in. But I just be checking them out, man. I like the cream of the crop. You know what I'm saying? I like the big. Look at the floor price. 37 Ethereum for one picture. A JPEG. This is absolutely ridiculous, bro. But that's Bored Apes, man. I like Bored Apes, CryptoPunks. I like all that stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? I got it, but I ain't. I'm not that much of a risk taker. I just got. Let me see what I got. What am I at? Get a couple. You buy them, you sell them. They be here today, gone tomorrow. You seen about the NFT collection? Some you hold, some you don't. Let me see. I like like this one. I just like that art. I like these nuts art. Just like that one. So it ain't like I'm trying to flip it in that. I just like that art. I like that one. I got a couple of pudgy presents. This for Christmas. See, you gotta be forward thinking, bro. You can't be thinking about now. You gotta be thinking about a couple of months from now when Christmas comes. You see what I'm saying? But that's me. You know what I'm saying? They ain't telling. I'm just showing you what I got. Pudgy penguins. I like pudgy penguins, man. I just like pudgy penguins. You know what I'm saying? Like the art. Of course, I got a Doge, but you gotta have your Doge pound in the collection, baby. This man holding one of these, man, it creates so much opportunity, man. You get into other NFTs preset. They got a launch pad coming, man. Holding one of these is, well, I'm telling you, bro. I got a bunch of other little stuff that I was airdropped or whatever, but so that's what I got. Right, I got some more too. Let me show you. The new. What's the new right? This thing called Immutable X, right? This is the new wave, bro. I'm trying to tell you, Immutable X. You're gonna hear about it. You're hearing about it first right here, man. I'm a DeFi guy. I make passive income. I went around all my miners and stuff and platforms today, collected all my money. Now, I'm just going around looking at my NFTs. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I got into this yesterday, right? But check this out. I bought some Moody Crows. I bought these things for 0.6, just not even 24 hours ago. It was like last night. The floor price for these are now 0.88. That's almost 0.9 ETH. Just since last night. Moody Crows, bro. And this is crazy, man. This is absolutely crazy. And then the crazy part, it ain't even a lot at that price. He ain't jump up to 9. So the inventory, man, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, bro. How I do it. All you gotta do is come over here. Now for Immutable X, let me tell you about this one. everybody know about OpenSea, but Immutable X is no gas fees. And when I say that, you pay one gas fee when you send your Ethereum. Let's say you got 20 Ethereum, you know what I'm saying, you want to spend over here. Send your whole 20 Ethereum at one time, and it'll go to your Immutable X wallet. Then from there, when you on the site, you don't pay no gas fees. You know what I'm saying? So you'll go. It's a very simple process, but I ain't. Hey, if you're a beginner, I'm not here to because this NFT thing. I'm not a. Boy, this thing will hand you your behind quickly. But yeah, man. Let me see. Let me refresh the page. But this thing is and I got some. I'm gonna show you something else too. I'm gonna show you something else. I bought some Moody Crows, and I bought some other stuff too. These things get sold so fast, man. Like you put one up for sale, it be gone. So look at that, man. Matter of fact, I'm finna buy one right now. Let me buy one right now. Hold on. That's like that. That look crazy. Let me see. I'm gonna buy one, man. Which one? Which one am I buy? Which one am I buy? It really don't matter. They all crazy looking. I think I'm gonna buy this one. I'm finna show you. I'm finna buy it right now. I see my wallet connect. I ain't got but one ETH, and I wanted to really buy two. I bought one. Go over here. Show you live, man. I'm buying right here, right now. If it let me. It's pretty fast too, but I got this recording software on, so of course it's gonna go slow when I'm trying to make a demonstration. And it just pop up right here. See, when you click that, it just pop up. Say confirm purchase. You hit confirm. It's just like your MetaMask. Your MetaMask pop up. It creates a key to your MetaMask, and you just sign it. Boom. There it is. Purchase complete. I got it. And that's it. You hit finish. I got it. Now, see, I can't buy another one. See, I only got 0.6. And that's crazy because I bought them for 0.6. That bad. Hey, so I'm just that's Moody Crow. And let me show you another one I got too. Where is it? Astro Bros. Where is it? Astro Bros. I bought some Astro Bros, bro. Right? Let me show you the floor. This is how you find the floor. You just go to lowest price. Find the lowest price. The lowest price for these is 0.3. I bought these for 0.06 Ethereum. Oh, I'm about to buy some more. See, this is how I do it, bro. You come down here, I like that one right. I'm gonna have to get that one right quick. And you see what the floor is. See how much inventory. Like if this full page was 0.3, then I wouldn't buy no more. But being that it's jumping up to 0.4 and almost 0.5 on the first page, I got these for 0.0, and I bought more than one. 0.0 now, not 0.06. This is crazy. I'm gonna buy one. That's real cool right there. One like that one too. And that was 0.4 though. I think it don't matter. But I like that we got the stuff coming out. Let me get that one. Astro Bros, baby. Your boy buying NFTs, man. This is crazy. I'm a DeFi guy, man. So come to Immutable X, man. Check out Moody Crows and Astro Bros. Like I done already, man. I can't believe how much money this stuff bring in, bro. Like, and I ain't telling you, I just said check out the art, man. You gonna hear me say this plenty of times, bro. This stuff will hand you your badonka. You hear me? I am trying to tell you, do not come over here and be messing around because it will. Come on down. What's up? Okay. I like that though. I like that one. So by the time you come over here, the price could go to zero, bro. It could go to zero. Or it might not be no more 0.3 left, 0.37 left. I don't know. But come to Immutable X. I'll put the link in the description, man. To do it because I don't like to show new people how to do this stuff because it's very, very, very risky, bro. I can absorb the risk because I already got money. I can lose all this and it doesn't matter to me. But I don't want no crying and man, that NFT you said, man, it went down to nothing. It could. I ain't gonna sit and tell you it can't. Man, Solana got some good stuff going, man. Oh my goodness, man. What the thing called? Rogue Sharks. Oh my God, this. I'm gonna do another video on this, boy. Rogue Sharks gonna be. Oh my God, this thing's like the most hyped NFTs on Solana. I'm telling you, Solana fees are cheaper than Ethereum, but I get into that. That ain't launching until I think the 9th, 2 days from now. I might do a video. I might do a video on that. I don't know. I'm just jumping into NFTs, man. I don't want y'all to get wrecked, but it's a lot of money in this NFT game, man. Anyway, and Binance, Smart Chain, PancakeSwap did their thing yesterday, man. You know, hey, it is what it is, man. I'm just letting you know. Get your information, man. The NFT space is booming, just like the DeFi space. Your boy is doing what he do. Anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.